Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're diving into the eye conditions that affect our sweet little kittens and how to care for them properly. Kittens are born with their eyes closed. Their eyes usually open gradually over the first few weeks, depending on their development. But because their immune systems are still immature, they're much more vulnerable to infections. That's why this video focuses specifically on kitten eye care. For adult cats, whose eye issues are often related to immunity, allergies, trauma, or aging, I've created a separate video. You'll find the link in the cards above, so feel free to check that out too. Now, back to our tiny fur balls. Since kittens are born with their eyes sealed shut and their immune systems are still developing, they're especially defenseless against viruses and bacteria. Before we get into the details, if you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow and lets me keep sharing helpful content. Alright, if you're subscribed, let's take a closer look at what's causing our adorable kittens' eyes to get sick and how we can help them heal. Eye problems like conjunctivitis and keratitis are common in cats and often chronic. The main culprits? Viral agents, feline herpes virus type 1, FHV1, and feline calicivirus, FCV. Bacterial agents, Chlamydia felis and Mycoplasma felis. These pathogens can cause lifelong discomfort if not treated properly. Especially in kittens, symptoms like eye discharge, swelling, and crusting may indicate infection. Conjunctivitis. Inflammation of the conjunctiva, the thin membrane covering the eye. Often caused by FHV1 in kittens. Symptoms: redness, tearing, crusting. Treatment: antibiotic eye drops or antiviral ointments under veterinary supervision. Symblepharon. A more severe condition where the eyelid sticks to the eyeball, usually triggered by herpes virus or trauma. Symptoms: restricted eye movement, pain, vision loss. Treatment: surgical separation, antiviral therapy, and protective eye conformers. Feline herpes virus, FHV1, is one of the main viruses that causes upper respiratory infections and eye inflammation in cats, especially in kittens. It's the virus responsible for many of the eye problems we see in our tiny fur babies. Interestingly, herpes viruses also exist in humans, but FHV1 is species-specific. That means it cannot be transmitted from cats to humans. However, there are other viruses and bacteria that can spread from cats to people and cause illness. If you're curious about those zoonotic diseases, I've created a separate video. Just click the card above to learn more. Before jumping into medications, let's talk about gentle home care, especially for mild cases or early signs. My traditional cleaning method. Start with lukewarm water and a soft cotton pad. Never use hot water. Wipe gently from the outer to inner corner. Always use a fresh cotton pad. Follow with lukewarm black tea, no sugar, no lemon. The tannins have mild antiseptic properties. If crusting is present, hold the tea-soaked cotton on the eye for a few seconds to soften it. Finish by drying the area with a clean, dry pad. This method works well for non-infected eye crusts caused by poor maternal grooming or dust exposure. Treatment advice from Cornell University. According to Dr. Thomas Kern, associate professor at Cornell University's College of Veterinary Medicine, most cases of conjunctivitis resolve on their own. But if there's discomfort or discharge, seek veterinary care to rule out serious disorders. Veterinarians typically prescribe antibiotic eye drops or ointments 3 to 4 times daily for 2 to 3 weeks. If herpes virus is suspected, topical antivirals alongside antibiotics. While herpes can't be cured, the goal is to eliminate surface infection and allow healing. New research from UC Davis. Faster recovery with famciclovir. In a groundbreaking study involving over 350 kittens, UC Davis researchers Dr. David Maggs and Dr. Sarah Thomasy found that the antiviral famciclovir significantly speeds up recovery in kittens with FHV1. It also reduces the risk of corneal disease, especially in shelter environments. Published in Journal of Feline Medicine and Surgery, this research is reshaping how veterinarians treat feline eye infections. I used the warm water and tea method on my kittens, and within 2 to 3 days, their eyes opened and healed beautifully. But remember, if symptoms persist or worsen, always consult a vet. Home care is helpful, but professional treatment saves sight. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment or question below. Sending love to all animal lovers out there. See you in the next video.